Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy lobbies in Ultimate Royale. We will dive into practical strategies to enhance your gaming experience. First, understanding game matchmaking is key. Then, we will explore the best times to play for less competitive matches. Finally, I will show you how smart server choices can make a significant difference in your opponent's skill level. Let's get started on finding those easier games. Timing your game sessions can significantly impact the lobby difficulty. During peak hours, typically evenings and weekend afternoons, many highly skilled players are online, leading to tougher matches. Instead, try playing during off-peak times, such as early mornings or late nights in your region. You will often find fewer players overall, and the skill distribution tends to be more varied, increasing your chances of an easier lobby. Your choice of server region can also play a crucial role. Some regions naturally have a smaller player base or a different skill distribution. Experiment with different server locations, even if it means a slightly higher ping, as long as it remains playable. A ping increase of 20 to 40 milliseconds might be a small price to pay for consistently easier opponents, offering a more enjoyable experience in Ultimate Royale. Understanding how matchmaking algorithms work can give you an edge. Most games use a form of skill-based matchmaking, attempting to place you with similarly skilled players. If you consistently perform at a very high level, the system will likely put you into more challenging lobbies. Maintaining consistent, solid performance without extreme spikes can help you stay in a comfortable skill bracket, leading to more balanced and enjoyable matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.